Creating WordPress users from the dashboard is slow. In this video, I'll show you how to create users in seconds using WP-CLI. No clicks, no UI, no dashboard. Alright, let's jump into the video. Make sure you have SSH access WP-CLI installed. If not, check my previous video or install WP-CLI first. Alright, in my local host, I am just opening my command prompt. I am assuming you are on your proper system and you have access to your own SSH and command line interface. Alright, so here I am. First of all, you have to navigate to your project like I did. Alright, so once you are inside your project, or in short words, always run WP-CLI inside your WordPress root directory. Alright, so now let's jump into create a user. To create a user, we will be using WP user create command. Alright, so we can say something like John Doe. That is the name of the user. Alright, so then we have to pass email for the user. In our case, we can pass it like example.com. Alright, then we have to assign a role. That's something very tricky because you have to be certain what user role you are assigning to particular user, because administrator user has access to almost everything on a single installation. Even on multi-site, administrator has a lot of access. All right, so you have to be certain. Then next finally comes the user password. So at the moment we can simply say it like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because the purpose of this command is to show you how to create a user. All right, so we will be using WP user create command. This is the username John Doe in our case. This is the user email. This is user role, and this is user password. So once I created on enter, and we will be seeing our user created perfect. All right, so we have seen it. Success created user with ID 3, and if I simply refresh my site, so I should be perfect. I am seeing my subscriber user role, password, and obviously the username. All right, so let's say we have to create an admin user role. For that we will be using WP user create command, same like we did, and we can say it like admin user as a username, and we can pass it email like admin@example.com, so whatever email of the user is. And in the role command we will be setting administrator role. All right, and then same way we will be passing our password to something like this. And once we entered, we will be seeing our user like here it is. And if I simply refresh to see my user, here it is, admin user and administrator user role. Use this carefully. It gives full control to your user. All right. Now, if we want to skip use password and we want it to create automatically, we will be simply using our command like this: WP user create. For example, I can say something like quick user, and I am passing some email to it, and I am simply going to assign it a role. In this case I will be passing editor, and I will not be providing any password. And if you see, it created password for us automatically. And if I try to refresh my page, and I can see quick user with the exact written role we have created our user. All right. All right, once we have created users, we can always check our available users by passing the user list command like I did. So these are the users. Instead of going into the dashboard like I was doing, so the purpose of going to dashboard was simple, so I can show you inside the user interface. But same thing we can check from here as well. So all our users are in same way like we have here, and same display name, email registered, and proper roles. All right, that's it. You can now create users in seconds using WP-CLI. If you want more automation like this, check my full WP-CLI series. And until then, have a nice time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.